Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. So today's gonna be a bit of a different video. I've been working on another strategy. It's more or less the same as the 30-minute one that you've been seeing, but this one is on a different time frame. I'm trying to play around with the mechanics of the little details of the strategy and seeing where can it be optimized essentially. So I'm still trading the 30-minute strategy. I still have been taking trades so far. I think it's Tuesday currently. I've been trading it. I'll probably show you the results of this week later on. But right now I want to focus on this 4-hour Ichimoku strategy. It's literally exactly the same thing, just on a different time frame. And I've opened up the pairs that I trade. So I'm practically allowed to trade every single pair. Every single pair that shows up that shows a setup. Now there are some issues that I'm finding with it, such as entering twice on the same currency. So you can see here currently I'm currently trading the euro twice and the pound twice, which is a bit odd, but I think I'm just gonna keep on trading it and seeing how that works with me. The only real way to make adjustments to a strategy is once you have data. So if trading like this works, trading two different euro pairs and two different pound pairs works, then of course I'm gonna continue doing it, even though it does seem like you're kind of doubling on the trade. You're adding risk. You're exposing yourself to much more risk on a pair. If it works, it works. So I am currently both forward testing it and back testing this 4-hour strategy. So far, I've just done about this much. It's the first couple of pairs in 2020, the first 6-7 months of 2020. So far, the results are good, but honestly, there's still a lot more pairs to back test and a lot more years that I want to back test. So none of this is written in stone yet, but I do like what I'm seeing so far. So I just thought I wanted to just show you some of the trades that I've opened up, and maybe what I'm thinking in future. What I'll do is I'll show every trade that I take and how it's doing, and kind of keep you updated on this 4-hour Ichimoku strategy. What I like the most about the strategy is that it doesn't clash with the 30-minute one. As you know, with the 30-minute Ichimoku strategy, it is I only trade during the Asian session. So essentially, anytime outside of the Asian session, I am quote unquote free. Not necessarily, but I'm free from trading. So I like this 4-hour strategy. Also, I only have to look at the chart 6 times in a day, and yeah. So right now, let's just look at the trades that I am currently in. Currently in euro pound, you can see it's kind of dropping out. I'm not sure if this one is going to be a winner. We're only a couple of pips away from hitting stop loss, so we'll just have to see with that one. Then over here, I have the Euro JPY. And what you'll notice is that the risk management for this strategy is different actually. You can see here that I'm aiming for 1 2 3 instead of a 1 2 2. And that's because this is more of a trend following strategy. I really want to try get those big moves in the markets. And kind of have less involvement, if that makes sense. It feels good to set a trade and walk away from it. During my back testing, I think I've held some of the trades that I've back tested. One of them I held it for 30 days. Imagine that's a very long time to hold a trade. But I am trying to play around with the strategy. I do love the Ichimoku tool. I love it. I'm for it. I'm just trying to figure out ways to make it work for me and the best way to trade it and optimize it. Anyway, so this is the Euro JPY. Again, we still have a long way to go before it hits 1 2 3. This could easily, trading. We speak about this all the time. It could very easily do something like this and take me out. That's part of the game. So right now I'm not holding anything. I'm not excited about anything. This is a $200 account. It's a paper trading account, as you can see. It was a $200 account, so you can see actually that I am down, and that is because I did enter a couple of trades previously. I'll probably do a separate video showing you the trades that I took, and where I went wrong, or if I even went wrong, or if it was just part of, the losing, the eventual loss that comes with any trading strategy. So that's Euro JPY. Then we have Pound CAD here too. Also, it's doing quite well, but again, it could change anytime. What one thing the market has taught me is to not get excited over virtual profits. Yeah, especially because this is demo. So I really have nothing to be excited about. But yeah, I'm not hoping for anything. I'm just gonna let the trade do what it does. But here you can see also we're doing really well. Nice strong bearish candle. Then the pound US dollar, also not too deep in profit, but it's moving in our direction. But anything could happen at this point. So these trades, I will keep you guys up to date with how they're doing, and where they land up. But this is what I would call version 2.0. I wouldn't. It's not necessarily an improvement on the 30-minute strategy, but it's a variation of it. It's a derivative of it, and I just want to explore this option too. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to keep up with my forex journey, my trading strategies, how I trade, and all that fun jazz. Just subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.